A project is a group of tasks all relating to each other, allowing you to assign different task types, assignees, and dates for each task, while grouping them together as a project, to which you can add a repetition to. In the Tasks tab, click on the Projects toggle up in the right-hand corner. Let's click the Add Project button. In the Project Status section, there are several dates. Start date is the default start date of each of the nested tasks inside the project. The end date will be automatically valued once all the nested tasks have been completed. The due date is the default due date of each of the nested tasks. In the Select Client section, you can select one client and workspace, or a My Firm workspace, or a root workspace if you have any configured, or leave the client and workspaces fields blank. You can also select multiple clients and workspaces at once, which will create a separate project for each workspace selected. In the Project Info section, add a project name. You can add a description and tags to help when using search functions. You can set the repetition cycle. This would create a new occurrence of the project, according to the selected frequency. For example, if the custom frequency is selected, with the 1st and 15th selected, then another project occurrence will be created with the same details on the 1st of every month, and the 15th of every month, but with new start and due dates. You can also enable workflow, meaning task number 1 has to be done before task number 2 is available to be worked on. You can enable Quora Assistant here, to send routine email reminders until the task's assignees have completed their active tasks. Click Add Tasks. These are all the tasks that are associated with the project. Let's add 3 tasks for this project. For this Process Payroll project, we'll have a task for Collect Hours, Complete Payroll, and Paying Taxes. We can then reorder, edit, or delete tasks from here. Click Project at the top left to return to the project setup screen. We can save this project as a draft, or as a template, which we'll go more into in another video. Click Launch to finalize the project. When viewing your projects, you can show or hide fields by clicking the 3 dots on the top right, or filtering using the funnel icon on the top left. Toggling back to the Tasks view, we can now begin work on the project's tasks. If workflow is enabled on the project, then the subsequent tasks will be created once each previous task is completed. Once all tasks are completed, the project will be completed, and the end date will be automatically set.